Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to place the drive blade on your refrigerator. The reason why you would have to replace the drive blade is because you're either not getting any ice from your dispenser or it's not making ice. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. To start this repair, we're going to open up our freezer, remove this shelf here, and we're going to take out our ice bin, which houses our ice auger and all the wonderful stuff that goes with it. So to take this apart, we're going to start with screws. With our Phillips head screwdriver, we're just going to undo these two here. And then we're going to start with this side. Now we've got those 4 screws off. Take off the front plastic piece and set that off to the side. Now we're going to take our 1/4-inch nut driver and we're going to remove these screws. Now that we've got those 3 screws off, we can take our E-ring right here and we can pry that off. Just take a flathead screwdriver, just like that. Be careful not to lose any parts. Now that that's off, the ice crusher housing is free and we can just pull that right out. Now that we have the housing apart, we can set that off to the side. And now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this upside down and we're going to remove these 2 screws here and the screw here. Now we're going to remove this arm here, and what we're going to do is just rotate it. There's a couple little metal clips there. Just rotate it out and all the way back. Now we'll be able to get this metal front panel off easier. What we'll do is take that off, and that'll feed right through there. We'll set those off to the side. Now to get these blades off, we're going to take a pair of channel locks. Grab onto that. We're just going to turn it to loosen it. Now I can screw it the rest of the way off by hand. There we go. Now I'm going to take these blades off carefully. I want to take them off and put them right here in the order that I take them off. Each blade is numbered, so they are basically telling you in what position they go. That's 3. This one's 2. This one's got a 1 on it. So when you put that one back on, that goes on first. So now we're going to take off the ice auger drum. Take that off and put that to the side. And now I'm going to take off our old drive blade and we're going to set that off to the side. Now grab your new OEM replacement drive blade. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. We're going to take our drive blade, and this is nice and easy. It says up on the part that should be facing up. We're going to put that on here just like this. Now we're going to take our drum. We're going to line up these 2 slots with our drive blade, just like that. And now we can put our blades back on. Make sure when you put the blades back on that the number is facing up as well. The 2 blade. Put that back on. Put the last washer back on here. Get the last one here. Okay, now that we have that back on, put this back inside the housing, just like that. Feed everything back through this. Make sure that lip is up. Maybe going back on here. Line that up. Line that part up. Those are lined up. Hopefully the holes will all line up. And we can screw this back into place. Just like that. So now what we're going to do is feed this back through with the notches. Make sure you feed it through the right way. And that goes just like that. And we can screw that part back in. Now we can put the ice crusher housing back on. What you want to do is make sure it's somewhat lined up here. Feed this through here. Now that we've got those back on, we can put this washer back on and our little E-ring. And to get that back on, it's a little tight right there, just like that. And make sure everything spins properly. And now we'll put the front back on. There you go. All right, now we can open our freezer back up, slide this back into place. Just like that. Put this shelf back up top. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.